What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel today, or welcome to my channel, shall I say. Welcome to. Hi, I'm Robin. For those of you who don't know, I'm Robin, and today in this video we're unboxing 2 of my Influenster boxes. So I just recently got my second and third box from Influencer. So I'm finally starting to get boxes from them, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing these. We're gonna start with the SK2 box. This red box right here. Inside, and for those of you who don't know what Influencer is, it's a website. Well, it's a app that gets you free items. Basically, they want you to have a following either on different social media networks, so that you can, and it's also for you to post reviews. So you're reviewing items and posting them either on Influencer. on Influencer and the different company websites, and also on Instagram. And I think some of them do want you to do like YouTube videos, so it's a whole bunch of different stuff. These ones I don't have to do YouTube videos for. I'm just doing an unboxing with you guys. So, and I will leave a link for Influencer down below so that y'all can go check it out for yourselves. And if you want to start it, you can do it yourself. So let's get started with the SK2 box. So on the inside, I have my instructions on what I need to do. So we're not going to even read this box with that paper, but everything's pretty much wrapped up. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the top layer. I'm gonna put this down so I won't drop nothing. So in my box, I have this little thingy, and this right here is the skin powder cream. It's right here. And I'm gonna open it up, and that's what it looks like on the inside. I am not sure what this does. Skin powder cream. This rich and velvety moisturizing melts into your skin to deeply hydrate and lock in moisture. Perfect for dry climates and dry skin types. So I probably will try this out. Definitely will. Probably around here where my most dry spot is. So maybe one day I will do a review on this. But that's the skin powder cream. I have sample sizes in this box. So we got it. The next thing I see in here is the skin powder eye cream, which is also the tiniest little thing ever. These little thingy, Barbie doll size. So that's the skin powder eye cream, and that's what it looks like inside. So that is Skin Powder Eye Cream. This moisturizing yet lightweight cream quickly melts into skin for eyes that look bigger and younger. After use, fine lines around eyes are less visible and skin appears tighter and smoother, making it instantly ready for makeup. I don't wear makeup, but I guess I will wear this for, maybe I can get some of these puffs going. So we might try that sooner or later. So we might do a review on that one also. On here, there's only 3 things in this, and this one's wrapped up, so that's what you hear. Okay, come on out. And this right here is the facial treatment essential. Essence. Y'all, I be struggling sometimes. But that's this. Hopefully it's focused. And let's see what it says about this. Y'all don't even tell me anything about this one. But that's that box. That's what was in the Sky, the SK2 box. Okay, next we have this box right here. And this was in here. So this is the Madisons All Natural. At Madisons, we intentionally craft each formula using Mother Nature's gifts for self-relief, so you can get back to the moments that matter, focusing on our family, listening to our bodies, enjoying those moments of indulgence. Madisons All Natural Acid and Introduction relieves gut relief, gives you the relief you need to manage your occasional heartburn and indigestion. Add capsules work differently by promoting healthy acid levels because the true cause of indigestion can be too little stomach acid, not too much. So in this box, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of the acid indigestion. I can't even get it out, y'all. Relief. It's natural and drug free, so I have 4 packs of that in this box. So it's like feel like 3 pills in each pack. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's 4 pills in each pack, and I have 4 of them. And you only have, it says, I'm gonna open up one of these. So I click at the card. Take 2 capsules with meal or at first sign of symptoms. So basically I have a good amount in here. Yes, 4 capsules in each one of these. So that's cool. So that's pretty much this video, y'all. I just wanted to unbox my Influenster boxes. And as I said, I will leave the link down below of how you can get on Influenster. You got to make sure that you have a good following on your networks. So basically, you can do your Facebook, your Instagram, and YouTube if you have one. So y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Bye, y'all.